Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gyan Kosh. Today we are going to discuss chapter Earrings for Nina of English Fairy Supplementary Book Class 8 Textbook and Extra Questions. First question. What are the names and ages of the sisters? Answer. Rekha and Nina were the names of the two sisters. Nina was 14 years old and Rekha would be 18 next month. Question 2. What she refused to buy with her mother and sister? Answer. She refused to buy earrings with her mother and sister. Question 3. Which shop did they go? Answer. They went to jewelry shop. Question 4. What was Nina's choice of earring? Answer. Nina chose dolphin shaped earring. Question 5. Why did Nina put down the earring angrily? Answer. Nina put down the earrings angrily because the manager asked her mother about her condition and said, "Can't the child hear?" This line made her angry. Question 6. Why did people scream and scatter in confusion? Answer. People scream and scatter in confusion because robbers have entered the shop with gun in their hands. Question 7. What happened to manager of the shop? Answer. The robbers shot at manager's hand. Question 8. Why did the police not let anyone leave the shop? Answer. Police not allowed anyone to leave the shop because they have to take down statements from all people who were present in the shop at time of robbery. Question 9. Who helped the police voluntarily? Answer. Nina helped police voluntarily. Question 10. What did Nina tell the police about the manager? Answer. Nina told police that the manager said to robbers not to shoot the glass cabinets, for that would set off an alarm immediately. Question 11. What did the manager prevent the robbers to do? Answer. The manager prevent the robbers to shoot at the glass cabinets because they would set off an alarm immediately. Question 12. How did Nina hear through bulletproof glass? Answer. Nina has the special ability of lip read that made it possible for Nina to hear through bulletproof glasses. Question 13. Why was Nina so confident? Nina was so confident because she can hear through bulletproof glasses and she can hear in a special way. Question 14. What did Nina suggest the inspector to do with the camera? Answer. Nina suggested the inspector to take the recorded tape of store's video camera and show that to the principal of the special school where she was trained to lip read and take a written statement from her. Question 15. Describe the inspector's feeling for Nina. Answer. The inspector was very happy and appreciated Nina and her special abilities, as he said that the case was solved only because of Nina and her special abilities. Long questions. Question 1. How did Nina suffer hearing loss? Answer. Nina at the age of 2 had suffered viral brain fever. Her recovery had been miraculous. She recovered, but the complication of the illness had left her with total hearing loss. Question 2. Why was Nina not engrossed in looking at the jewelry in the shop? Answer. Nina was not engrossed in looking at the jewelry in the shop because she felt angry, as the manager of the shop said to her mother, "Can't the child hear?" This made her irritated and angry. Then she refused to look. Question 3. Why did Nina want to go back to the jewelry store? Answer. Nina want to go back to the jewelry store because now she was happy and she want to buy the dolphin shaped earrings. She want to buy earrings so that she can turn the girl in school with envy. Question 4. Describe how Nina's special abilities solve the crime. Answer. Nina's special abilities of lip read has helped to solve the crime. It was only possible for Nina to hear the conversation between the manager and the robbers. Because of her special abilities, even she was able to hear the through bulletproof glasses. A reference to the context. First, what I would really prefer Didi is to be left alone. A. Who told the given words to whom? Answer. Nina said the given words to her elder sister Rekha. B. What did the listener want to the speaker to do? Answer. The listener want to Nina to go to jewelry store and buy earrings for herself. C. Why she wanted her to be left alone? Answer. She wanted her to be left alone because whenever she go out, people stare at her. She get irritated when people stare at her. Second, just the thing you need to turn all your friends in school green with envy. A. Whose friends are referred to here? Answer. Nina's friends are referred to here. B. What things it referred to here? Answer. Dolphin shaped earring are referred to here. C. Did they get it? Answer. Yes, they get it. Third, we have to take down statements from all those present. You have been witnesses to a most daring robbery. A. Who said the given words? Answer. Police said the given words. B. Where did it happen? Answer. It happened in the jewelry store. C. What incident happened? Answer. Robbery was done in the jewelry store and this was the incident happened. D. Who were the witnesses? Answer. The people who were present in the jewelry store during robbery were witnesses. Fourth. As for me, I don't want to step into any jewelry shop again. A. Who said this to whom? Answer. Mrs. Verma said this to her daughters. B. Why she didn't want to come again? Answer. She didn't want to come again because she get scared from the incident that happened in the shop. C. What was her daughter's reaction? Answer. Rekha was satisfied from her, but Nina said, I will come tomorrow to buy dolphin shaped earrings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.